Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by preparing the phone and cable. Plug the data cable into the phone and the desktop. Make sure the phone is unlocked. On the phone, enable developer options and then turn on USB debugging so the computer can communicate. Once done, tap the USB notification and choose File Transfer or Transferring Files. This exposes the phone storage. Make sure you use a USB 2.0/3.0 port on the desktop and avoid hubs for initial setup to reduce connection issues. Now you install or confirm drivers so the desktop recognizes the device. On Windows, allow plug and play to load drivers or download the OEM driver if the phone fails to appear. On Mac OS, open Android File Transfer. It mounts Android media over MTP. Once the driver is active, open File Explorer or Finder and locate your device listed as a portable media or internal storage. You can now copy, move, or stream files. Make sure transfer is complete before disconnecting. Finish by verifying file integrity and safely ejecting the phone from the desktop before unplugging. If the device is not detected, reboot the phone and the computer, test a different certified data cable, and try another USB port. Sometimes front panel ports are unreliable. Make sure USB debugging remains enabled during advanced transfers. One quick troubleshooting tip: if USB still fails, switch to a Wi-Fi transfer app and connect both devices to the same network to move files wirelessly as a reliable fallback.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.